All right, I just received this in the mail. It's a high pressure shower spray head. And that is our project for today. We're gonna go ahead and put that baby right there, and we're gonna take that one down. That's what we're gonna do. All right, so if you wanna get superpower water pouring through there, you've gotta take out this water restrictor right there. So you're gonna need a pair of needle nose pliers to yank that bad boy out of there. Once that's out of there, this baby will squirt. Oh yeah, it will. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get rid of this water restrictor. Just gonna grab it and pull it out. Of course, it doesn't want to come out. There we go, out. Now this sucker will crank. Here's what it looks like, a water restrictor. Basically, it's like an aerator, and it just kind of slows down the water flow. It's supposed to save water, but I mean, that means you gotta take a longer shower. So stupid. All right, so this is ready to go. All right, next, before I get everything up there, I'm just gonna go ahead and put the Teflon tape on instead of trying to do it once you got it up there. So, you know, it's so much easier if you do it this way. Kind of want to go with the threads or the way you're gonna turn it, so I'm just gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna do about 2 on here. That should do it. That's enough. You don't have to put that much. So now that's got Teflon on it. And then the other thing you gotta get Teflon on is this part here. This is your other one. And so what we're gonna do is just wrap it, just like I did before. Just gonna go around, get it wrapped. I'd do 2 times, should be enough. And then I'm just gonna pop it. All right, that's done. All right, so we got those 2 done. And now what we've gotta do is we've gotta take off our old shower head. All right, so here's my old shower head. And basically what I've gotta do is just unscrew it. Then I'm gonna have to pull this off of here first. And then we'll just set this down here for now. And then we're gonna go in here and we're gonna unhook this first right here. So I'm gonna just lefty just get it off here. Yeah, that's done. But we're gonna save all this. You wanna know why? Because if we don't like this one, we can always put this one back, right? So let's see what we gotta do next. So basically all I gotta do is just turn this. If I can remember which way I gotta go with it. It's on there pretty tight. There we go. All right, just gonna unscrew it. Once we get it unscrewed, we're gonna put Teflon tape on that thing too. Almost there. Yeah, it's already got Teflon on it, but that's it. You can see it's dripping. Look, drippage. All right, so like I said, we're gonna keep these because just in case we wanna, you know, use those. All right, so it's already got some Teflon on there. I might put some more on. I just might do that. All right, so anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and put some Teflon on here, just, you know, for giggles and grins. Just in case. First I'm gonna break it here. First I gotta get a straight piece. There we go. Now we can get it on there. There we go. I think that's gonna be good. That's enough, right? What do you think? I think that's good. All right, probably couldn't even see me do it. Did you? I hope so. I don't know. All right, so anyway, we've got to screw this in to that, right? And when we get done, we want to kind of have this on the bottom. That's important. So we're going to get that on there. This is going to screw on there, and that's what we're going to do next. Okay, so here we are. Just going to feed it on there. And all I got to do is turn it to the right. Just like that. And we're almost there. Gonna go right around there. I might be able to do one more. Let's see. Oh, that's tight. Let's try one more. All right, I think that should do it. And then we're gonna put our hose right on there and we'll be ready to go. Okay, so remember, we've got to undo this. So this just screws off. Look in there, make sure you got a washer, that's important, right? And this is gonna go on the very bottom. That goes on the very bottom. So let's go ahead, let's put that on. See, I don't wanna lose that, so I gotta hold it like this. And so it doesn't slip out. All right, so here we are. Pretty long, huh? Look, it's on the bottom, goes up, all the way to here. That thing goes that's a long ass hose. All right, so let's get her on there. Just gonna put it right there. We're just gonna bring it up, put it right on there, and we're just gonna get it threaded right. That's important. You don't want to cross thread it. I'm gonna get it on. Nope, it's not right. There we go. Yeah, you'll know. If it's cross threaded, you're gonna feel it. So let's just get it on there nice and tight. And bam, I think we're good. We got one more roll in it. I think that we are tight on this back here. I think that's as tight as it's gonna get. All right, so let's get that nice and tight. All right, good. Now, when we get down here, you're gonna see that you've got this thing on here. We gotta get that off. And luckily, I think this just kind of slides off. This just kind of slides off like that. And then we got another one of these bad boys we gotta untie. That's it. And we can go ahead, screw it in right here, under our handle. Make sure you don't cross thread it, that's important. I mean, there we go. All right, now look, check it out. Check this out. I'm all the way out here. I could be using the bathroom and squirting myself with this thing. It's so big. All right, so now this goes in here, and it slides right into this little doohickey here, and you can bend this down, and that you can see it's got plenty of height. Here, this is me here, right? You know, it's like way over my head by about a foot. You know, here, look, check it out. Here I am standing here, that much room. So I think that's gonna be good. Now we just have to move this stuff out of here and then turn this on and see if we like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it on and make sure that we don't have any leaks and see how she works. Here we go, you guys ready? There it is. All right, so anyway, it's got a couple different modes. Let's start with this side. Go all the way over here. And that's basically just leaky mode. Then let's try this one. That one's strong mode. So that's 2. There's 3. It's kind of like a weak middle stream. There's 4. That's the one I'd probably use. 5, 6, 7. So really, this is the one. This is the only one I would use, right there. And this doesn't seem to be leaking, so that's good. And that's it. Yeah, feels pretty good. But we have to try it with a shower and see if we really like it. But I think that's gonna work. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on doing stuff like this. Peace out.